Happy Tuesday, April 26th. Hopefully this video works. Yesterday there was a little problem with the YouTube uploader. I apologize for that. Anyways, we're going to talk about the workout quickly. Hopefully you guys had a great squat Monday. Also, go Raptors tonight. Big win. Hopefully. We need it. Okay, warm-up. 3 rounds, not for time. 25 kettlebell swings, 20 squats, 15 GHD sit-ups. As always with these warm-ups, please take the time to make sure that, one, you've done something other than just walking into the gym, picking up the kettlebell swings, and doing 25 in a row. Alright, you might want to row a little bit, skip a little bit, get on the treadmill for a little bit, do some basic stretching. Another cool thing, again, make this warm-up your own. Start with a lighter kettlebell. Do one-arm kettlebell swings. Whatever it takes to get nice and warm with this. Alright, this is not a WOD, it's not a mini Metcon, it's not any of that. It is just a warm-up. So get your reps in, whatever you need to do to feel nice and warm and loose when you're done with this. Alright, strength work today. Push press. 4 sets of 6 again. Alright, same rep scheme as we did on Monday for the squats. So, you're going to warm up. You're going to get up to about 65-75% of your 1 rep max. Do a set of 6. Try to add a little bit of weight. Go from there. Again, your 4 sets of 6 should be relatively clustered close together. Try not to have 20-30 pound jumps between each set. That is too big and the stimulus will not be there for you. Alright, our strength endurance piece. It's the same weight and reps as last week, except for now, just like the squats, we're going down to 50 seconds. Every 50 seconds for a total of 4 sets. We're going to do 40% of the reps at the same weight we did our 2-minute test at. And we go from there again. These reps don't need to be unbroken. We've just taken away 10 seconds of rest, and we're going to cluster this work together a little more. Alright? Metcon today is going to be a nasty one, a tricky one, but the key here is to pace yourself and kind of break things up in advance. So the workout is an 8-minute AMRAP. Short. Doesn't mean easy though. You're going to do 10 wall balls, 10 burpees. 20 wall balls, 10 burpees. 30 wall balls, 10 burpees. And it's going to keep going. 40, 10, 50, 10, as far as you can get in the 8 minutes. So, number one key here is make sure that you break your wall balls up intentionally. And what I mean by that is have sets in your head that you're going to do, whether it's you're going to do 10 in a row, 20 in a row, 30 in a row, then you're going to go to 10s, or whatever that is. Make sure that you have your sets broken up. Also, it is better to set up your sets and break them up equally. So say you do wall balls 10, 10, 10, or something kind of like that, 11, 10, 9, then do 20 wall balls and then 3, 3, 2, 1. Does that make sense? So if you're doing a really, really big set first and it's going to tire you out and then you're going to end up breaking up with small numbers later on, that is not an efficient way to break up the wall balls. The only reason you break up a set is because you need some rest. And every time you add a break in that set, you're adding rest time. So there's no benefit to you breaking up after 20 if you're going to rest 4 times in that set of 30, as opposed to you just breaking that into 4 even sets. Alright? Especially when it's in the middle of the workout and you're not fresh at the beginning or anything like that. So try to have a little bit of a strategy here. For the burpees, because it's only 10, it's just enough to feel kind of nasty, but it's also going to come back and kind of haunt you on the wall ball. So, a couple of things here. 1, try not to resist the down very much, because that negative on your shoulders is going to start adding up over time, because you're going to be pushing in this plane the whole time for the burpees and then pushing over your head the whole time for the wall balls. Number 2, as you come back up from your burpees, really think about leading with your shoulders and chest. Get up off the ground, really focus on jumping, like pushing your chest up and trying to orient yourself vertically as much as possible, landing on your flat feet, not on your toes at the top of the burpee. And then for the wall balls, really focus on using your legs and saving your arms at the top there. Bounce hard out of the bottom of that squat state. Keep your tension, but try not to go real slow and pause on the bottom of that squat. Alright, the score for this workout, because of the nature of it, is going to be the total number of reps. So just keep track of where you are in the workout, and at the end we can work backwards and do the numbers on total reps that you've done. Okay, lastly, core cash out. 75 V-ups and 5 minutes of low plank hold. You can break it up any way you want. And that's it. Alright, I hope you guys have a great workout, and we will